Okay, let's do a quick gele tutorial. So what you just do is get your gele, whether short or long, but preferably you should get the long one, because the longer it is, the more beautiful your gele will come out. So from the video you can just see me. What you just do is make a twist on the gele, and after doing that you fold it and make sure the twist is that hard, after which you'll be putting it on your head, and then just watch the video and enjoy. If you're going to try this out, let me know. It's QD again once more.